chart lit up like a Friday stage. Candles jumping up high like they tryna get paid. Mommy, some gotta glide, but the rule never fade. Profit comes to the ones who respect the trade. TP1 hit, that's my warm-up drip. TP2 smack clean like a fresh new whip. I ain't holding past a line just to flex on a blip. That's how winners turn sinners and accounts get clipped. Three pull harder than a payday loan. Talk smooth in your ear when you trade in alone. Hold on, go high, push TP3. That's the market trying to make a fool out of me. Nah, I stay locked with a tight net flow. Stacking up the W's row by row. I take profit like a grown man pro. Cause discipline pay more than the trend can show. Not greedy, but give to the needy. And I need a clean ride to the TP. Don't stop, keep popping. High TP2, yeah, I claim mine. TP2, he tending but the shine. I'ma goals ain't cheap, I don't cross that line. Looking for the bag, every flag trying to shake me, but then it made me. Got me winning steady, no form or crazy. Don't stop, keep popping. Keep popping. Don't stop. Back at it with the boom boom snap. Signals lined up like a high roller stack. Market move slick like a contract trap. One wrong click, cold weak, fall flat. I ain't here for the maybes, I'm here for the wins. Multiply slow, compound my spins. I don't chase highs just to brag to my friends, cause I know how quick from snatches your ends. Profit feel better when it's earned, not guessed. Mindset sharp like a tailored vest. I'm cool on the flex, I'd rather exit clean than be caught in a mess. Bag first, brag later, yeah, that's my trend. I'm investing in the life I'm trying to defend. And every time greed try to come pretend, I hit TP2, then I out like the end. Yeah to the TP, get to the TP, yeah to the TP, yeah to the TP. Don't stop, keep popping. High TP2, yeah, I claim mine. TP3 tending but the shine. All my goals ain't cheap, I don't cross that line. Looking for the bag, every flag trying to shake me. The plan that made me, got me winning steady. No form or crazy. Don't stop, keep popping. Keep popping. Get to the TP, stack that fee. Exit free. Quick, discipline key. Don't stop, keep popping. High TP2, yeah, I claim mine. High TP3 tending but the shine. All my goals ain't cheap, I don't cross that line. Looking for the bag, every flag trying to shake me. The plan that made me, got me winning steady. No form or crazy. Don't stop, keep popping. Keep popping. No Hail Mary trays, no hero play, no dreaming past levels where the
Alright.
way. I'm a grown up scalper, steady, no straight. Cause stability pay on a different day. Risk on point, I don't gamble my bread. Levels map clean like a plan in my head. I'd rather bag now, sleep good in my bed than watch green turn red and regret what I said.
Hey, good morning, my neighbors. Welcome to another episode of that BYTTT mashup with Get Rich or Fit Trying that you know and love. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and the bell button. That way it lets the algorithm knows that I bring you some solid information. We had a major drop that just happened right quick. Let me go ahead and play the theme song in the background. That way we have something going. But I would say do not panic. Do not do anything reckless. The dollar did get a little bit affected on that run up. It has lost some of its support, so I won't be surprised that we rally right back up and reclaim some of this movement. So just be very patient. All right. But for those that are brand spanking new to the channel, we are people that kind of trades the opening range. We love the opening range. You should love the opening range. Everyone gets some money when that happens. And how does that work? Let's go ahead and use the Asian session for example. So what we like to look for is a nice little breakout based on the parameters that's set on the first 15 minutes. So it looks something just like this. Here's our Asian levels. And what we want to see is a bullish breakout of this area or a bearish breakout to this area. You can see we broke out and it was like, nope, we're going back up. And then they just literally bumped their heads against the wall trying to get up there. And then we have the London session that does almost the same thing. That's around 3 a.m. Let's find that for y'all right about here. That one right there. All right, and this is our London session. Let's put that there. Oops, wrong one. London. There we go. All right, so we got our London session right there, and that's where we're having a little bit of trouble. We try to take out that area, and then they just said no, enough is enough, and we just dropped off a cliff. This order block is built off of a 4-hour order block, so this is very interesting that we're back under it. We'll see how the market responds to that. And yeah, that's what we're looking for here. We're looking for a 15-minute opening range, and can they decide what they want to do with the New York session? So far, this is what it looks like. Psychological 25,500 is probably where we're going to have a lot of trouble. And when it gets breakout around this 25,538, the question is, can they take more of this imbalance? So a lot of questions are going to be here. Let me see the oscillators. Oh yeah, we went bearish on here. This feels like a bull trap that they just sprung. Look at how they drag the 15-minute here. Let's look at some other time frames. Yeah, that 2 hour, we just wiped off in about 24 minutes. Unless they recover this whole thing, we're gonna wipe off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 hours of order blocks just got hit on this drop. Amazing, just amazing how the market can move. Hey, Javi, good morning. Welcome to the party.
We went to the 15-minute 200.
I need to make up the money that I lost yesterday.
No worries, no worries. I got you.
I see 388.
I knew I should have took that play this morning. The
Nah.
915.
Yeah, you saw it too. My wife was talking about it. She was like, she got to her
She must
chart at
have-
9 o'clock, and she just found that it was
Yeah.
looking weak, and she played it down. Yeah.
I'm talking about playing that an SJ play out of the counting channel.
Oh, okay.
The 915. I woke up and I was like, we're walking around just doing this. Let me just sit down and I saw that. I said, man, I'm gonna play it. And I said, nah. Usually when I play it, it doesn't go the way I want to, and bam, it went the way.
The market does some very, very interesting things. God bless you. Very
Yeah,
interesting things.
Yeah, because the 9 o'clock play, that was.
Yeah, that candle by itself was 214 points. So you're talking about times 4. That's 800 ticks to the downside, almost 1,000.
Yeah, I took about a little over 300.
Wow, 300 ticks. But I want to see what they're going to do with this order block. We've been dancing on this order block for a while, and now we use that momentum. Yeah. All right, let me get myself fully logged in. All right, I got one account set up. Let me go get the other one. I think I'm gonna be in Robinhood today, but we'll see how that goes. All right, got Robinhood set up. That's perfect. Get that. All right, we are ready. I got time. I knew this was going to go ahead and consolidate a little bit. It needs to. All right, let's.
Hey, Jeff, don't let your kids grow up, okay? Because the older they get, the bigger headaches you get.
I just don't think that that's how it works. But if I find the Benjamin button, I'll let you know.
All right. I'll say I didn't warn you. Okay?
Got you. I got you.
You know how many times do I have to repeat from 9:30, 11? Leave me the hell alone. And I'm putting it politely. Okay. I think
No,
that's the problem. I think
no.
that's the
They
problem.
do that now.
Yeah,
That's legit.
it's you're you.
They know trading now when they still
It's
enter.
when you have nothing at all to do is when they want to have nothing to do with you. But when you're busy, guess what they want? All undivided and
You know,
unequivocal
I
attention.
finally get my wife to understand that I'm trading from 9:30, and she, respects that. When she bugs me, it's because she really needs something,
Yeah.
and I got that. But
But
I can't get my kids to listen.
nah,
And,
kids work on their own accord. Sorry, I apologize. It's
and
been like
then
that before we got
and
here.
then when I yell at them, my wife gets mad because I'm yelling at the kids.
Ah, hey,
She mad that you yelling at
don't,
grown kids?
yeah, don't worry. I get mad at my wife
Because the
yelling
way
at the kids
because
too.
no because the way I yell at them,
That's true. You really do get mad at me yelling at them while I'm trading.
I the way I yell at them, not yelling at them, the way I yell at them.
Oh, got you, got you.
Jim get mad at me too for yelling and how I yell and me yelling. Period.
Yeah,
So,
just
so I'm you, Hobby. I get it.
and
All
then
right.
I mean, here's the funny part. They have a little device called an iPhone, and they're
No,
very
They do.
smart on it, and they can get any information they want. Okay, and then
no,
they
but
come to
the pop information is a lot better.
they come to me, hey Dad, where can I take my dog to go get his vaccines? I'm like,
Because you're Google.
So
That's what
Daddy
you're.
knows
That.
everything.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm like, what time is it? You asking me that question?
So Daddy knows it all.
You know it all. Come on. You gotta trust Pop.
And then the funny part, when they don't need anything, they sit out, Dad, he's wishy-washy. He says this, he says that, he does everything. And then what they do, they come to me. And I say, why are you coming to me if I'm wishy-washy?
So they can just come to you for the information that they won't use. That's funny.
We broke 50% of that
Yeah, the move.
that big red candle.
Yeah, they're fighting it right now, but I think we really are going to drop. I really do believe so.
So we have
But I want to get the first 15 minutes.
50% of the 15-minute candle, red candle, or from the top. We
Yeah,
just hit 50% and reject.
and rejected. Yeah, so we're getting ourselves a little bit of a golden zone rejection. That's what that looks
Or
like
is
to me.
it 50% from the top?
I go wick to wick of it. But if you're saying from the top of the drop, that would be relatively close. It's around the 382. So,
Yeah, 678.50.
yeah.
Yeah, so we didn't touch 50%. 50% is at 549.50.
Yeah, it just depends on how you want to measure it. But either way, all we're worrying about is the type of reaction we're getting. So far, my order block on the 4 hours starts at 532, so that's why we rejected. And I was very close on taking that one, but I said, let
I
me.
took it back down. I got 123.
Nice.
Because
I would say just be careful because the dollar is still dropping, and I don't know why.
well, I'm looking for it not to hold above 50% of that drop. If it holds under the 50% mark, I'm bearish. If it gets above, then
Yeah,
I'll play it back up.
yeah.
We got one more minute on the 15-minute candle. But we at the daily 618. Right?
Yeah.
We at the daily 618. So that's
Well, I didn't even mark my daily 618.
we have been trouble holding under the daily 618.
Did we touched it?
Yeah.
Oh, we broke under it. Oh yeah.
So we're having trouble holding.
Nah, you know my theory on that. At the moment that we touched it, that's game over. That
My theory.
I know. Hey, everybody has their own thesis. My next target would be here. They're gonna try to go for here, which will bring us to 25,181.
I got some 15-minute 200 at 388.75.
300.
88.75. 15-minute 200.
That's a good one. I got a 370, 377. That could be one. I do have a cross candle order block that's sitting right here, especially after we made that fair value gap. They've already tested it, but they noticed they can't hold it. So let's call it 376 down to 285 can be another place that they bounce off of. All right. So the 15 minutes is in. We need a 5-minute close below the level. Ooh, these things are spicy. These puts are spicy. You might get indigestion. All right, NQ ready. I'm gonna go check out what that meant. We'll check that out in a little bit. Just let me get myself set up a bit. Yep, that's what I meant. Indigestion. Look at that. They pushed that thing really high. All right. I feel you. And just get those loaded up just in case this stranger danger does some rejection action over here. Actually, let me put Robin Hood over there because you're being a little distracting. All right, let's see. I know what the inclination could be. Oh, Jeff, there's so many wicks here. They really are trying to short it. But what about the wicks here? They cannot make any lower lows. It's going to affect the movement. So be patient. Let's get the 5-minute close below before you start running into the market. You will get better prices
looking at
here. That. You was looking at that?
All those wicks, yeah.
Yeah. And the reaction, it is sound, and I do agree with it. You know what? Because that was something we were watching yesterday, let me just go look at these alerts. These things are keep popping up. I'm going to do it really fast so I don't miss anything. What just happened? Where did you go, Discord? Okay, there you go. All right, let's see.
You still chopping on the previous day, Phil? What was the
Uber is triggering a buy. Oh, say that again?
What was the fib extension that he was talking about yesterday?
So he,
Swing low.
yeah, so he does the previous swing low and high instead of doing the current one. That's all. So he can see where the retracement would be.
What were you saying?
No, my wife was asking because I don't know if you made it to class yesterday. Pablo kind of
Yeah. I asked that question. Remember when I put?
Oh
that...
yeah. You were there. So that basically the swing high and low. Instead of worrying about trying to figure this out for retracement, it's more so of look at it from the perspective of that peak like that with your fibs, kind of something like that. And we failed the 618, came into the 786. So we came so far, they had no choice but to bounce. But my theory is when we touched this 618, it scared all of these buyers out. And basically the bears are in control. They just don't know it yet. That's what it feels like to me. So something a little high risk, high reward would be getting a small put right now, just so we can buy more puts when we break the 5-minute low. Or you could just get all your position when we break the 5-minute low. That's what it looks like to me. So yeah, Uber was triggering a buy. I'm gonna do this quick. Oh, because we gapped up. Okay. I know, but I was in the middle of a sell signal, but they liquidated the sell. That's how I got up there in the first place. That was this liquidation here. and they pushed it right back down, and then they bought the dip right back up. Very interesting. All right, let's get back over to NQ because I do not want to miss this.
You gonna take it down?
I think I'm going to take it down here. What am I going to target? Let's look at the 4 hour. If we look here, I got this order block that's on the daily. I think that's what they really want. I know there's going to be some chop here, but I'm just looking to see, is this rejection going to be really, really strong? Patience, patience, patience. All right, let's get back to the 5 minute. That's a lot. Look at that. Wick. Each one of those. They want to sell this crap. No, still not in. Still not in.
So you know that 15 minute, would I swing it from that 15 minute to the top side? Would that be how he did it?
No, it would be on the 15 minute. It will be December 2nd.
It wouldn't be
Listen, from bottom up.
yeah.
December 2nd.
December 3rd.
No. December 2nd to the top of today's at 8:20. Yeah, at 8:15, I should say.
It wouldn't be
Yeah,
swinging
we left it. He does it the other way, so that way he
he's
knows when
swinging
it
from
comes
left
back.
to up?
Yeah, from left to up. Yeah, he's looking at what it has done before, and he gauges it from that versus anticipating, because the other way would be anticipating where it can go.
That's why I don't care about where it can go.
Correct. I want to so bad. I'm not gonna lie to you, Giant. I want to so bad and just take something like just a small position, but I know I'm breaking the rules, so I have not taken anything.
In
Just
his theory, if it breaks what he
453 breaks 453. This thing would just drop. That's what I'm looking for.
it's playing in between the fib. Whenever we play in between the fib, we chop it.
Correct. Exactly. And that's why I'm looking at this level like,
You gotta break
wow.
the top of the fib previous day candle or the bottom.
Mm-hmm. I almost want to be in it because I think 10 o'clock, they're waiting for 10 o'clock, like they're accumulating for 10 o'clock. That's what it looks like.
Don't think
Yeah, I'm in it already. I'm trying to see what's going on.
Giant's like, I'm already in it. Oh my God.
it looks
Taking
like
it
a
down,
bear
Giant?
flag.
Giant, you taking it down?
Peer pressure.
No, you should have waited for when they got to the top. That's what I did.
Yeah, I'm taking it down, Javi.
Yeah.
I had 100, 206. Let's
Peer
go.
pressure.
240,
Ah, look at this thing.
240, 272.
Look at me trying to be disciplined.
We all can't be great like you.
That would have been about 30%, no, 50% just on that option contract I was staring at. Because I was looking at it when it got to $70, I was like, oh, that looks like a really good price. I should take it. I was like, no, don't do it.
I got 300 ticks just like that.
Ah, dirt, man.
Don't catch FOMO.
I'm not. I'm going to wait for the 5 minutes to close. I got 1 minute left.
All of us be great like me. Giant.
I see what you did there.
Man, Jeff trying to be disciplined, man. You tripping.
I will not succumb to peer pressure. I will not succumb to peer pressure.
What are everybody in but you?
But me. Oh, look what they're doing.
Of course, but the thing
They're
is,
jerks.
It's a range. So you get in from the top, and if it breaks, it breaks. If it doesn't, you get out because you know where it's hitting.
Yeah.
Until it breaks down, you get out. You pull that out.
I ain't gonna lie. Part of me wanted to do this as a range, and I almost did that.
So
I was
we
like,
are in a range
let me
right now.
let me not be aggressive because then I probably would do like a 1 minute close Oh yeah, 1 minute closing there, they liquidated it. 1 minute closing there, they liquidated. But that 1 minute close, bang.
But this 1 minute close is nasty. But all the other ones gave you over 100 ticks. Well, this one gave you 300 ticks.
Yeah, I'm fine.
You just gotta, you just gotta scout and pay attention.
All right, 10 o'clock candle is coming in. 5 more minutes.
But it could be nasty and give a whole V-shaped recovery.
It can. It can. Go ahead. I dare you to go for that open range. My order block is sitting right there waiting for you. Oh, that was the 500 psychological level. That's why that did that. $25,500. Come on, baby. Go look at that report that they talking about, because it came through my CNBC. Oh, it was ADP payroll changes? That's what it was? I thought it was some big old jobs report. We don't get the jobs report till tomorrow. Wait a minute. Where's the jobs report? Oh, we get it on Thursday. Okay. Yeah, we get it tomorrow. Okay. It's oil inventory today. Okay. I would love to. I'm in the middle of something. Oh, I just closed my Robinhood. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. All right, 1 minute and 48 seconds. Now, here's the fun thing about it. If you got in right now, it could just pop at 10 o'clock all the way up here. Or it could just drop something ridiculous because these buyers are like, oh, damn, we can't take this out. There's no way we're going to get through this order block because this thing still kind of looks like a crazy looking W. Minute and 19 seconds. Yeah, those contracts now drop to $67. They're getting lower and lower. $47 seconds as they're trying to get back above 500. The US dollar has not recovered anything. Now, there is a gap above there, so It'll be funny if they just came down here just to force the market to push the dollar back up. But right now, the dollar looks like it's making an M pattern, like it's going to go down, which will give us a nice little rally to the upside. So I'm still leaning on possible, like maybe 17% upside. That order block is the only reason why I'm still thinking the upside is dead. But they could have been accumulating just so they could pop right back through here. Very interesting action. All right, there we go. That's a 10 o'clock candle. Something's got to give. There goes my order block right there. What are you planning to do?
Now, if you've never seen a jambalaya rice, for a lot of people, go to 1 minute.
If you want to see a jambalaya rice, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh.
That's like for a family of 14 or some shit.
Yeah, man. This is... Talking about suppressed. Oh my God! Are you really gonna just do this dance? I can't play with that. Right into a bear trap, I think, because this would be the W right here. That's my order block at 538. All right, the 1 minute is breaking out of that area. Let's see how much of this 5 minute fair value gap did they take. I have 591. That's going to be tricky for it. Oh, I'm happy I didn't get those puts. Woo! Let me make sure my lines are where they need to be. I don't have these lines. Alright, I don't have to adjust those lines. Okay. Alright. Possible rejection coming. Well, this is the 4-hour order block now, so this is going to be very interesting on how much they give back.
Down to 15.
Alright, so we gotta re-angle this. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Actually, let me use that because I need to re-angle that anyways. Right there. So something like that is what we're breaking out of. How much of this candle is gonna sit in itself? Oh, we gotta check out some of those alerts right there. All right, so we got ourselves a home. Can you tell them, please? So we're almost back to the bullish line. Leo, can you tell them, please? Almost like we got a little. We're almost there. Like we're gonna bounce. Look for a bounce off the bullish line, back to the upside.
So, Kramer, come here. But you kept talking.
All right, almost at 538. See if it gives you a strong bounce at 538.
Rejected at 5 minute 200. Top of the 1 minute cap.
Yeah, it might try to bounce from here. So let's see what they do with it. Did they reload to put it down again, or are we gonna push back up? Oh, yeah, they almost done with this 5 minute fair value gap. Look at that. They took a good chunk of it. Kind of like we have an order block right here. I'm not gonna keep it here, but that's what this kind of looks like right now, and that's what they're using to come back up here. So everyone that got the bullish order block fair value gap, I'm sorry, everybody that was like, hey, we're gonna go ahead and get the break above, that was a solid pullback. I was looking for a bounce, but it never gave me a reversal. So I did not actually play it back to the upside. All right, almost like we're building a base now. I'm seeing if we can break maybe a strong close above 538. Maybe I'll play it back up and grab some of that sell side liquidity. Yeah. Give it time. Let them decide where they want to go. It's failing to hold.
And I said no. I said no. said no.
No, I'm sorry. The market is boring. I'd rather be bored than lose money. Look at that. Arrgh. Look at that jab they just did right there. Oof. Let's see. Nah, I'm not gonna. I was about to put an order, but I'm like, do I want to short it like that? Because I know I'm gonna have a hard time getting through here. All I'm gonna get is liquidity of the opening range players. Yeah, it's not a clean move. Just like what Javi said, that the 1 minute is all this jambalaya rice that they're struggling. This is gonna be a struggle to get through, and I have a target right here at 470 I want, but I know it could be a fist fight. Maybe I should keep that order block. I think I'm gonna get might be overthinking it. I don't want to force something to make it a trade that is not a trade. So I'm trying to be patient to make sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. I know this order block is going to keep rejecting because this is the 4-hour order block back here, but we've been above it. So now that we're down here, they're trying to establish the 4-hour, the new 4-hour candle, to be that next extension to the downside, maybe even push down to here to here. You know what? Light position. I'm gonna go with a light position. No more than 45 bucks. And just see what happens. If I lose the 50 bucks, I lose the 50 bucks. Let me do it like that.
To the upside or down?
Downside.
That's what I thought.
If it breaks out of the opening range, let me come back to the 5 minute. If it breaks out of the opening range down in this side, then I'll consider adding up. Well, I'll consider adding more because then the momentum is there. But no matter what, this 50 bucks is at risk, and whatever happens to it happens. Yes, Caleb, I am. Thank you for reminding me. All right, so here comes that 1 minute that I was talking about. I want to see if we can get past here. So I want to see something along the lines of this being done. So we need to close inside of 492, somewhere around there.
170.
Nice. So what is my thesis? I'm thinking that since I got a 4-hour order block that's on top of me, that more bears are going to just be boldened and it's like, oh, you know what? Not only did we gap into it before the market opened. What happened, Javi?
Oh no, I was reading something.
Oh, okay.
How about that?
No, it's all good.
But if you look, that was a 5 minute, 200 rejection. That's why I got it. And on the 1 minute, that was the top of the technical channel. Push up right here.
It could, because that's the psychological 500 level that I was telling y'all about. That's why I was willing to risk these dollars, because I know it's going to have a hard time getting back under the 500. The question is, are they going to spring a trap on the bears, or is this going to be one of those complete recoveries and the bulls just take them out and they're like, oh my God, run for the hills, get out of there, you know? And that's a strong possibility. Only because the US dollar got that gap. And I feel like we're going to try to go for that gap today. Which is very weird because it's like we gap down right to an order block. Yeah. I'm like 55% sure we're dropping. Probably for the rest of the day. Not the strongest, but I think that's what they're doing. Because if that dollar starts to get a little bit more greener, it's going to really liquidate some of these bears. Let me see what the British pound is doing.
Open the door. Because I don't know what you're trying to sneak into my room for.
Alright. Let's see. British pound is getting stronger. But they're coming to their order block. Very interesting. Let's see. Alright, getting close to that 4-hour order block again. Uh-oh. There it goes. They're trying to push right through it. All right, so they could get a 5-minute close above here. That's what they're going to try to do. Let's see what we get right there. Got a little bit of a kick up. They're going to try to recapture that wick here. How strong is this 4-hour order block? Yeah, opening range breakout again. Right into the 4-hour order block. That's the 550 level. Let's see if it rejects. If it doesn't reject the 550 level, if you want to consider cutting your trade, you can. Because that 550 level is a psychological level and it's struggling to hold under it. And that can create that opening range to give continuation. Yeah, we'll give YouTube up until 10:30 and then yeah, we'll probably wrap it. Oh, could this be it? There's that 550. Yeah, reject from here. Yep. Yeah, I just got $300 on that move on my futures. Come on, hold it. Don't you dare. Ah, it's almost to my break even. I had 300. Come on, give me back my 300. Give it back to me. It should give me more, but it's not rejecting as hard as it was. Come on. Keep that party going. Come on. Let it go. Let go of your support. Straight to the TP, like the song says.
Toilet paper?
Yeah, that too. There we go. Oh, come on. Show me the 400 again, and then I can take something off. Oh, my God. They're such jerks. All right, I'll take the 200. Y'all can have it. It's going to give me more, but this is a 4-hour order block, and this thing is like, keep jabbing it. I had 400, then they took away. I'm sorry, I had 300, then they took it away. Then I had 400, and before I could take something off so I can leave a runner, they took it away again. So I'll take the 200. That's all it's telling me. It's telling me. Why would I do that? My wife says, why don't I lower my leverage? Javi, why should I lower? Should I lower my leverage?
Don't get me involved in your debate here.
No.
You two have two different trading styles. All right. Your wife gets 3,000 ticks, and you're still waiting to get 1 tick. So
Hey! Whoa!
And then you get $1,000, and your wife said, "What did you see?" So you got 2 different trading styles.
You're supposed to have my back, Javi. You're supposed to have my back.
Hey, I'm married 41 years.
There it goes.
185 ticks.
Okay, now she's talking smack.
See, what I tell you, you guys have 2 different
200
trading
ticks.
styles.
She's getting in her jerk mode right now.
No, it's not that. I'm like, it's gonna go lower. You saw it flickering. It's like flickering the wrist. If you're so scared, leave a runner. That's all I was saying.
I was planning on it, but I wanted $400 before I did that.
Yeah, then leave a runner.
They call that greed, right?
Yeah, that's all. So I took the 200 instead. All right, that's that 500 level again. It's rejected right off of it. They're trying to use it as a bounce area. I won't be surprised it reverses again because we're back inside the range. I think we're gonna go back to stranger danger again.
A little bit of sideways movement right there again.
No, that 1 minute wick is keeping it from going to stranger danger.
1 minute wick. Stranger danger is sitting at 495.
Yeah, but look at that wick
497 is the
on the 1 minute. See that green wick?
497. Okay. Yeah, I see it.
So we got a morning star.
We got a morning star forming on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. Get to the TP. Get to the TP.
That's all I want. I wanted to get to the damn TV. I didn't want to do it.
But right now, the only thing is getting for me is the toilet paper.
All right, I'm about to take another stab at this to the downside in like 2 seconds.
Downside?
Yeah, if it gives me a close, because we just made a lower high right here, and they attempted for a lower low. It failed. So if this shows weakness again, that they can't get through this area, all the bulls are going to get out the way. Right now, they're trying to get rid of sell side liquidity. Hold on, let me zoom this, and y'all probably understand me better. Look at it just for this action by itself. You got point, lower low, lower high. We're just missing a lower low. So this 4-hour order block can be the catalyst that creates that. So that's the question mark I have. Even though the 1 minute is bullish, I even got a Pac-Man just told me that we should be going to the upside right now. But we'll see what happens there.
Here on the 1 minute. And we did just get a sell. Right now we have deposit.
Crap.
Coming down.
What you thinking, Javi?
Crap.
You say you don't see crap?
I only see crap. That's all I see is crap.
It's just a range. That's all it is. That's why I was like, I want to block out an area, because if we got down to here, oh, we would have got down to here. So right now, let's see if they reject this area. Oh, they already rejecting it early. Oh, we're below the close. Oh, they sweeping. They sweeping. Oh, they sweep. I had a feeling, but I was being greedy. I wanted right here. They're going to come for that liquidity. This one, so they got to come all the way down to here. Woo, that's far.
We have 4 right there. And then I'm going to give this a 5 down below just because.
They probably came back to reload to try to see if they can push it back up. So we got bullish opening range fighting against bearish order block.
Just had a signal not too long ago. I'm going to place a.
What you got over there, Javi? It sounds like somebody's trading oil.
Oh, I'm just seeing a program. Because I'm bored. Somebody's talking in the 1 minute. You know, I just clicked on YouTube, and then you know how somebody gets live. You know how you just scroll through and you click live, and it said trading oil. I mean, I'm not oil. I mean, oil and gold and stuff like that. So I'm about to take it off because he has so many indicators that I have no clue what the hell he's talking about.
like one of my old charts.
You got 1, 2, 3, 4 oscillators, 5 oscillators.
5
there,
oscillators.
And, yeah, 5 oscillators. He has 1, 2. He has I haven't seen these also.
Yeah, we're fighting with the range.
I just look at ideas and I look at it, you know, like, okay, you know. But
I got you.
But you know what I'm gonna do? Get out, because if I don't understand, if I don't understand it, you know, I don't understand it.
Yeah.
You know, if I don't understand it, I don't understand it. You know,
I should have took it as soon as we broke the close right there.
You know what I'm saying? I'm just like. See, there's a doji in 1 minute. If it breaks that doji, I'm taking it down.
There's so many dojis.
Yeah, but this one here, I'm going to take it down if it breaks it. Don't ask me why. I have no logic.
I really wanted to touch this trend line before I do anything, because I think I'm gonna reject it at 355-ish.
Yeah, because if it breaks that trend line, it breaks that pivot point. We go to the next pivot point.
Exactly, and that's why
somebody taught me that. I don't know who taught me that. I'm just trying to remember who taught me that.
I have no idea.
I think I saw it somewhere. I don't know where I saw that.
Some weird guy that does crazy stuff.
Yeah. Somebody told me. I can't remember that. Let me ask Giant. Giant, do you remember hearing that? I don't remember hearing that.
I remember hearing it.
Yeah, I don't remember when or where. I just.
Whoever it is, he must be super intelligent.
Did you take it down and touch your trend line? You said you're gonna take it down. Oh, I already got my sale stop, so I'm good. Tell you, if it breaks that green wick, that doji, I'm taking it down. Because it gets back into that bullish line. And they're going to go to stranger danger.
That's all I'm looking for. I just want stranger danger. I don't even want much.
I'm in the trade. Let's see what happens. And of course, he wants to jerk off. He wants to go crazy. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. No.
Ooh, I was looking down so I can scale myself out, and then that thing popped up something vicious. Oh, come on. Get out of that block. Get out of there. Get out of the 4-hour block. Come on. Come on, get out of that block.
He did not say she has 40 ticks.
No, she got more than 40. She said you should have got at least 40 ticks. Get out of
I
there.
say that.
You not green, Hobby?
Get out of there. Get out of that
I'm
block.
not green.
Get out of that block. Come on, baby.
You not green, Hobby? Where you
Come on,
at?
get out of that block. Right when it started breaking that wick. Come on, break out of there.
Yeah, but we got
There we go.
to it.
Come on. Come on. Let me at least get a runner in there. Come on. Get in there. There we go. 400. That's what I'm talking about.
How much you got now, Hobby?
There we go.
I'm green, but it ain't much.
I don't know where y'all
Come on. Hold your water. Hold your water. Hold your water. Grab that liquidity.
struggling to break. It needs to break that wick that it could.
It's almost got my runners to break even right now. So it's being really
break that
disrespectful.
722 wick.
Come on, baby. Get down there. There we go. Come on.
Hasn't broken it yet.
Come on.
And it needs to get
Come on.
496.
Come on. Get
Are
all
you
of that.
green now, Hobby?
He should be green.
I am green.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh,
That's what I'm talking about, Javi. Get that green.
Yeah, but I was so scared that I just did 2 contracts.
That's fine. That's 2 contracts more than 1.
I only got 1 contract.
Yeah, I'm sitting on 2 micros right now, so
I got 10 micros.
come on. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, don't you dare come for my break even. Get yourself down there.
Just 1 mini.
Get yourself down there.
Let me change the dollars.
Get yourself down there. Show me $100. Show me 100. Come on. Come on, Cletus.
I got 400.
Come on.
I switched
Oh, I never got to look at UNH, but I'll check it out after I let you 2 go. Come on. Come on.
It needs to take out. It needs to blast that way for me to be comfortable.
Come on. Show me that $100. 100. Damn, they about to get to my break even again. Come on. Come on. There's no way that they still bullish with all this sweep of liquidity.
We haven't even rejected the trend line yet.
They are still trying to buy the dip. There we go. Come on. Show me 100. Oh, show me 92 and then stop. Come on, baby. There we go. 100. All right.
It's gonna take out the wig. Wait, I have to freak out.
No.
Everybody.
It's just
There
my
we
I'm
go.
just scaling accordingly. That's what I'm doing.
Just touched it.
Come on. Don't you
Now
dare.
I have to freak out.
Don't you dare. I'm still in it.
We
I still got 1 more contract.
We got 497 for it to go to next.
Come on.
Then
Break that 500.
Then you can freak out at 486.
There's no way the Bulls are still feeling. Oh, they still feel bold. These
It's
mofos.
still on the trend line.
They need to take a nap.
But it's on the trend
How many
line.
times you want to be punched in the face?
But it's still on the trend line. It didn't break the trend line.
Yes, true. But it's also, let's come to a 5-minute. They're not letting the 5-minute go anywhere. Let's go to the 15-minute. That 15-minute is struggling to make higher highs. I want this thing to turn over and be bearish. Oh, my runners break even. I'm out.
Oh shit! What the? Somebody got pissed off.
Yeah, they're like, enough is enough.
And guess where it's gonna go? It's how it's gonna go to the 200.
They said enough is enough, and they came with a vengeance.
Well, I'm glad as soon as I saw that wig go up, I was like, I took that out. Because it would take all my
That's why I
crap.
kept telling you guys
Yes, that's
the
fine.
Bulls are
It's
still
okay.
in because it didn't break the trend line.
No,
And guess what?
just
It
what I
didn't
did.
hit the 200 on the 1 minute. Watch it reject when we hit the 200. We're almost there. This is
Don't worry,
my
I'm eyeballing for me to short it again.
Yep.
Oh, it's 10:30. All right, YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all have y'all fun and have y'all peace. That said, I want to say thank you very much for coming in here. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the bell button, all that good stuff. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Chart lit up like a Friday stage. Candles jumping up high like they tryna get paid. Mommy, some gotta glide, but the rule never fade. Profit comes to the ones who respect the trade. TP1 hit, that's my warm up drip. TP2 smack clean like a fresh new whip. I ain't holding past a line, just a flex on a blip. That's how winners turn sinners and accounts get clipped. 3 pull harder than a payday loan. Talk smooth in your ear when you trade in a loan. Hold on, go high, push TP3. That's the market trying to make a fool out of me. I stay locked with a tight net flow. Stacking up the W's row by row. I take profit like a grown man pro, cause discipline pay more than a trend can show. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Not greedy, but give to the needy. And I need a clean ride to the TP. Don't stop, keep popping. at it with the boom boom snap. Signals lined up like a high roller stack. Market move slick like a contract trap. One wrong click, cold weak, fall flat. I ain't here for the maybes, I'm here for the wins. Multiply slow, compound my spins. I don't chase highs just to brag to my friends, cause I know how quick I'ma snatch as your ends. Profit feel better when it's earned, not guessed. Mindset sharp like a tailored vest. I'm cool on the flex, I'd rather as a clean than be caught.
There it is. Touch 200. Now take the bounce down, right? You gonna take it down? What you say?
Don't stop, keep popping. High TP2, yeah, I claim mine. High TP3, tend to put the shine. All my goals ain't cheap, but don't cross that line. Looking for the bag, every flag trying to shake me. The pen and make
Yeah.
me. Got me winning steady, no formal crazy. Don't stop, keep popping. Keep popping. No Hail Mary trays, no hero play. No dreaming past levels where the chart might sway. I'm a grown up scalper, steady, no straight. Cause stability pay on a different day. Risk on point, I don't gamble my bread. Levels map clean like a plan in my head.
Mm-hmm.
Up by the bag now, sleep good in my bed. Then watch green turn red and regret what I said. Bend up. Don't stop, keep popping. Don't stop, keep popping. Keep popping. Don't stop, keep popping. Don't stop, keep popping. Chart lit up like a Friday stage. Candles jumping up high like they tryna get paid. Mommy, some gotta glide, but the rule never fade. Profit comes to the ones who